one. Let's watch Bolt 54 in white. Just sees it and goes right through the gap to meet Derrick Henry in the backfield. When you get an opportunity like that, you have to take advantage of it. The rookie out of Missouri does exactly that. That's called trusting your eyes. You see it open, you go downhill and meet Derrick Henry behind the line of scrimmage.
Now Anthony Hitchens today, injured last week. Hitchens has a tricep injury. Floated up. Up by Henry. Was on that speed, 13 yards. Eventually brought down by Ben by Derrick Henry. He was clocked at 21.8 miles per hour. There are a number of counties where he would get a speeding ticket here in the state of Tennessee.
Well, actually, they pull him over and they just ask for the autograph.
Well, I mean, he would be without a car.
Before one,